What you just watched is of course not a restoration video. It's a big yell out to all these people who restore old tools and in fact do nothing good with it. Just like these hammers. It's an old hammer and I turned it in a shiny piece of crap. These hammers have no story anymore. If you look at the others, the battery charger, I restored it. This is a restoration, and this is a restoration. Spins freely, everything works, it's ready for action. It's the original paint on it. This one has the original paint. If I take away this paint and I make new, I take away the story. The story of this spanner. It's hardly been used and then has been forgotten. I will not restore this spanner.